you should cut your blessing in every single lesson you've learned.
Hey love, Shantera Gabrielle here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you all how to make your own business cards using Canva. In your search bar, type in canva.com and then sign in or create an account. After that, you want to find the search bar for templates and then type in business card. In this video, I will be creating my business card from scratch, but you guys have the option of scrolling through the templates that Canva has to offer and choose one that you would like to customize for your business. Since I have a blank business card, I will have to upload my own photos, which you guys will see in just a second. So I started out by using the same logo that I've been using in this How to Start an Online Business series. And since I want the full background of my business card to be green, I'm just going to click where it is white and then change the color that way. After I sized it to how I like it, I clicked add page so I can have a double-sided business card. And just as a heads up, throughout this video, you guys will see me periodically change the sizing of things and the color of things very frequently. Since this is a bunny business, I want my customer to be aware, so of course, I will add a couple of pictures of bunnies on there so my customer can know what I'm selling. So as I mentioned, you guys will see me play around with the sizing and the arrangement of things, so just be patient. I did speed it up a little bit for this video though. So the next thing I decided to do was add a heading that says shop our adjustable bunny collection, and then I decided to change the font. Feel free to be creative and choose whatever font you want. You do not have to use the same exact font that I'm using. Also, feel free to choose whatever colors you guys may want to use. I also want to mention, guys, that you do not have to use Canva on your laptop or your desktop. You can use it on your phone. But the beauty I found in using Canva on my laptop is that if I put a photo on my project, then they will allow me to choose colors from that photo. I did decide to move my bunnies around again, and the next thing I want to do is put my information in for my customer to find me on social media and find my website. And how I do that is by going to elements on the sidebar, and how I found the little World Wide Web is I typed in www and then those two popped up. The gray one that says www in white, it is not free. You guys will have to pay for Canva Pro if you want to use that one, but I try to strictly use free things on Canva. Using the same element tab in the sidebar, use whatever social media handle that you would like to give your customer. Again, change the color to your liking and make sure everything is in sync. So it did not let me change the color of the blue World Wide Web, but it did allow me to change the color on the green one. This is not a real business name or a real Instagram, so of course you will be putting your own information there. This is just for teaching purposes. Also be mindful that when you're typing your website, make sure everything is on the same line. The crown I'm using can also be found in the Elements tab by typing in crown. So something extra I chose to do was leave a little message inside the bunnies for my customer, because I do not only want them to check out my Instagram and my website. I want them to follow me, I want them to like my Facebook page, and I want to thank them for their support. And this is something I didn't do, but also on the Elements tab, you can type in Facebook and it will show up their handle, and you can type in your Facebook name, because you can assume that your customer will automatically know your Facebook name, but sometimes they may not know, so keep that in mind. When you're done creating your double-sided business card on Canva, you have a few options. You can either download and print them yourself, you can take them somewhere else like Office Depot or somewhere, or you can also have them printed through Canva, and that is actually what I do. I will show you guys towards the end of the video how much it costs and how much is shipping. This is an example of what the PDF file would look like, but I wasn't too happy with this design. I feel like it was kind of basic, so and in this clip you guys will see me be a little bit more creative. So I click add another page and I went to pestle.com. I'll link it below in the description box, but I found this beautiful stock photo of this beautiful black woman. I decided to size the whole photo to fit the whole business card, but now that I'm looking back at it, I would have left a little bit of the green out, so when I put the Instagram and the website, then you will be able to see it better. Instead of dragging everything down from the previous business card, I decided to duplicate everything so that if I did choose to still use the second page, then I didn't have to go back and recreate the whole thing. If the duplicate button goes away, click the three dots and it'll show right back up. This is a little recap of all of the pages I created in this video, but you will see at the end which ones I actually chose. So leaving the logo on there is cute too in my opinion, but in this next clip you guys will see what I was saying about leaving a message for your customer, and I think it is cute as well. So this is the final result. You guys can go either way with this. You can create one from scratch like I did in this video, or you guys can choose a template and customize it to your business. Now in the final step I will show you guys is how to get your business cards printed from Canva. At the right corner, click where it says business cards. Make sure it says double-sided and make sure that you choose the correct pages that you want to print. For my print option, I leave it at premium paper. I change it from matte finish to gloss finish, and I do about 50 copies at a time, and it boosts my price from $11 to $12. After clicking continue, pay attention to the dotted lines because this is where Canva will cut them. So if you have anything left off or anything not spread it out enough, then Canva will cut it off. So please pay close attention. So I thought I adjusted my image, but to do that you have to double click the image and then spread it out that way, but I guess I did not do it because I knew I wasn't getting these printed out. The next step is to make sure that you don't have any words or any images falling out of these red lines. Now as you see, all of my words at the bottom are pretty much cut off, so I did have to do a lot of adjusting when it came to this. And this is what I was saying earlier when I said that some of the green should have been left out at the bottom so that the Instagram name and the website can be shown even better. I also could have put a shape like a white box or something behind it, or maybe a black box so that you can see the Instagram name and the website. And if you guys are interested in doing that, the way you would do that is go to Elements and click a square or something and change the color and then stretch it out to be in the background behind the Instagram name and the website. Now you can see the Instagram name pretty good, but you can't see that website good. So you guys, please take that tip that I just gave you guys. And also, the shipping price is free 5 to 8 days, express is 2 days, and then standard 3 to 5 days is $8. So depending on how quickly that you need your business card is how quickly you will choose your shipping method. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys learned how to create your own business card. If you just started a new business, I wish you blessings on your new business. As always, don't forget to educate, encourage, and empower. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
I'm sure.